बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मां सईद सारंग अवां सभिनी खे सिंधी लर्निंग ज़ोन जे प्लेटफॉर्म ते भले कार चवां थो। क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश न्यू सिलेबस मां लेसन 7 स्ट्रगल फॉर एन एजुकेशन बाय बुकर टी वाशिंगटन याने तालीम लाइ जिदोजहद सिंधी तर्जुमे सां गॾु पढ़ंदासीं। One day, while at work in the coal mine, I happened to overhear two miners talking about a great school for colored people somewhere in Virginia. हिकु ॾींहुं कोयले जी खाण में कम जे दौरान मूं ओचितो ॿिनि मज़दूरनि खे ॻाल्हाईंदे ॿुधो जेकी वर्जीनिया में कारे माण्हुनि लाइ कंहिं वॾे स्कूल जे बारे में ॻाल्हाए रहिया हुआ। This was the first time that I had ever heard anything about any kind of school or college that was more pretentious than this little colored school in our town. ही पहिरियों भेरो हो जो मूं कंहिं स्कूल या कॉलेज बाबति ॿुधो जेको असांजे नंढड़े ॻोठ वारे स्कूल खां वॾो ऐं बहितर हो। I heard one telling the other that not only was the school established for the members of my race, but the opportunities were provided by which poor but worthy students could work out, all are a part of the cost of board, and at the same time be taught some trade or industry. मूं ॿुधो हिकु शख़्स ॿिए खे चई रहियो हो त हीउ स्कूल न सिर्फ़ असांजे नसुल जे माण्हुनि लाइ क़ाइमु कयो वियो आहे, पर उते ग़रीब पर लाइक़ शागिर्दनि लाइ अहिड़ा मौक़ा पिणु फ़राहम कया विया आहिनि जो उहे कमु करे पंहिंजे बोर्डिंग ऐं रहाइश जो ख़र्चु पाण पूरो करे सघनि था ऐं साॻिए वक़्तु को हुनर या पेशो पिणु सिखी सघनि था। I resolved at once to go to that school. मूं तॾहिं ई फ़ैसिलो कयो त मां उन जे स्कूल ज़रूरु वेंदुसि। Although I had no idea where it was, जेतोणीकि मूंखे ख़बर न हुई त उहो स्कूल किथे आहे or how many miles away या केतिरो परे आहे or how I was going to reach it ऐं मां उते कीअं पहुचंदुसि। I remember only that I was on fire constantly with one ambition and that was to go to Hampton. मूंखे सिर्फ़ हिकु ई शइ यादि हुई ऐं उहो हो मुंहिंजो शदीद जज़्बो त मां हैम्पटन वेंदुमि। While at work here, I heard of a vacant position in the household of General Louis Ruffner, the owner of the salt furnace and coal mine. हिते कम जे दौरान मूं ॿुधो त जनरल लुइस रफनर जे जेको लूण ऐं कोयले जी कारखाने जो मालिक हो उन जे घर में नौकरीअ लाइ नौकर जी जाइ ख़ाली आहे। Mother applied to her for the vacant position. मुंहिंजी माउ उन लाइ अप्लाई करे छॾियो हो। I was hired at a salary of $5 per month. मूंखे $5 माहवार ते नौकरी मिली हुई। I soon began to learn that first of all, she wanted everything kept clean about her, that she wanted things done promptly and systematically, and that at the bottom of everything she wanted absolute honesty and frankness. जल्दी मूं सिखियो त सभ खां पहिरियां मिसिस रुफनर खे मुकमल सफ़ाई, वक़्त ते कमु ऐं तरतीब ऐं आख़िर में ईमानदारी ऐं मुकमल सचाई घुरिजे। Nothing must be slipshod and every door, every fence must be kept in repair. का बि लापरवाही न थियणु घुरिजे ऐं हर दर ऐं दीवार साफ़ ऐं मरमत हुअणु घुरिजनि। The lessons that I learned in the home of Mrs. Ruffner were as valuable to me as any education I have ever gotten anywhere since. मूं जेके सबक संदसि घर में सिखिया उहे एतिरा ई क़ीमती हुआ जेतिरी मूं अॼु ताईं तालीम हासिल कई आहे। In the fall of 1872, I determined to make an effort to go. 1872 ईस्वी जी शुरुआत में ई मूं ओॾां वञण जो पको इरादो कयो। The small amount of money that I had earned had been consumed by my stepfather and the remainder of the family, with the exception of a very few dollars, and so I had very little with which to buy clothes and pay my traveling expenses. सिवाय चंद डॉलरनि जे बाक़ी मुंहिंजी थोरी कमाईअ जो घणो हिसो मुंहिंजो वेगो पीउ खपाए छॾींदो हो। रहियल रक़म मुंहिंजी फैमिलीअ जा ॿिया फ़र्द इस्तेमालु कंदा हुआ। तंहिं करे मूं वटि कपिड़नि ख़रीद करण ऐं सफ़र जे ख़र्च लाइ तमामु घटि पैसा बचा हुआ। Finally, the great day came, and I started for Hampton. बिलाख़िर उहो ॾींहुं अज़ीम ॾींहुं अची वियो ऐं मां हैम्पटन लाइ निकिरी पियुसि। The distance from Malden to Hampton is about 500 miles. Malden khan Hampton ताईं जो मुफ़ासिलो लगभग 500 मील आहे. I had not been away from home many years before. मां घर खां परे घणनि कलाकनि ताईं पहिरियां कॾहिं न रहियोसि. It became painfully clear that I did not have enough money to pay my fare to Hampton. हाणे मूंखे ही दुखदायक सच वाज़िह थी वियो त मूं वटि हैम्पटन वञण जो किरायो बि न हो. By walking, begging rides both in wagons and in cars, in some way after a number of days I reached the city of Richmond, Virginia, about 82 miles from Hampton. कॾहिं पंधु त कॾहिं वैगन ऐं कारुनि में लिफ्ट वठंदे कंहिं न कंहिं तरीक़े सां काफ़ी ॾींहंनि खां पोइ मां रिचमंड जे शहर वर्जीनिया में पहुतुसि जेको हैम्पटन खां 82 मीलनि जे मुफ़ासिले ते आहे. When I reached there, tired, hungry and dirty, it was late in the night. जॾहिं मां थकल, बुखायल ऐं मेरो थी उते पहुतुसि त रात जी देर थी चुकी हुई. I had never been in a large city and this rather added to my misery. मां पहिरियां कॾहिं बि वॾे शहर में न रहियो हुअसि ऐं इन ॻाल्हि मुंहिंजी ज़हनी परेशानी में वाधारो करे छॾियो. When I reached Richmond, I was completely out of money. जॾहिं मां रिचमंड पहुतुसि त मुंहिंजा पैसा बिल्कुलु ख़तम थी चुका हुआ. I had not a single acquaintance in the place, and being unused to city ways, I did not know where to go. उते मुंहिंजो को बि वाक़ुफ़कार न हो ऐं शहर जे रस्तनि खां अणवाक़ुफ़ हुअण करे मूंखे सम्झ में न पियो अचे त केॾांहुं वञां. Just about the time when I reached physical exhaustion, I came upon a portion of a street where the broad sidewalk was considerably elevated. जॾहिं मां जिस्मानी तौर थकिजी चुको हुउसि तॾहिं मां गलीअ जे उन जॻह ते पहुतुसि जिथे वेकिरी फुटपाथ मथ भरो ठहियल हुई. I waited for a few minutes till I was sure that no passers-by could see me, and then crept under the sidewalk and lay for the night upon the ground with my satchel of clothing for a pillow. मां चंद मिंटनि ताईं इंतज़ारु कयो त जीअं पक कयां त को वाटड़ेड़ू या को मुसाफ़िर ॾिसे न पियो ऐं आस्ते आस्ते उन ज़मीन जे टुकड़े ते लेटी पियुसि ऐं कपिड़नि जे थेले खे विहाणो बणाए सुम्ही रहियुसि. Nearly all night I could hear the tramp of feet over my head. तक़रीबन सॼी रात मां पंहिंजे ज़हन में पेरनि जा आवाज़ पे ॿुधा. The next morning I noticed that I was near a large ship. सुबुह थियण ते मूं महसूस कयो त मां हिकु वॾे बहरी जहाज़ जे वेझो हुउसि. I went at once to the vessel and asked the captain to permit me to help unload the vessel in order to get money for food. मां हिकदमि उन बहरी जहाज़ ॾांहुं वयुमि ऐं कप्तान खे अर्ज़ु कयो त मूंखे सामान लाहिण जो थोरो कमु ॾिनो वञे त जीअं मां खाधे लाइ कुझु पैसा कमाए सघां. The captain, a white man who seemed to be kind-hearted, consented. कप्तान हिकु गोरो हो पर दिलि जो महिरबान हो. उन मूंखे कमु करण जी इजाज़त ॾिनी. I worked long enough to earn money for my breakfast, and it seems to me, as I remember it now, to have been about the best breakfast that I have ever eaten. मूं पंहिंजो नाश्तो कमाइण लाइ इलाही कमु कयो ऐं मूंखे लॻे थो जेतिरो मूंखे यादि आहे त उहो मुंहिंजी ज़िंदगीअ जो सभ खां बहितरीनु नाश्तो हो. My work pleased the captain so well that he told me if I desired I could continue working for a small amount per day. मुंहिंजो कमु ॾिसी कप्तान ॾाढो ख़ुशि थियो ऐं चयाईं त जेकॾहिं तूं चाहीं त रोज़ थोरो कमु करे पैसा कमाए सघीं थो. This I was very glad to do. मां त उहो ख़ुशीअ सां करणु पियो चाहियां. I continued to sleep under the same sidewalk that gave me shelter the first night I was in Richmond. मां साॻे फुटपाथ ते सुम्हंदो हुउसि जंहिं मूंखे पहिरीं राति पनाह ॾिनी हुई जॾहिं मां रिचमंड आयो हुउसि. Many years after that, the colored citizens of Richmond very kindly tendered a reception which was not far from the spot where I had slept the first night. काफ़ी सालनि खां पोइ रिचमंड जे कारनि शहरनि वॾी महिरबानीअ सां मुंहिंजो इस्तक़बाल कयो ऐं रहाइश ॾिनऊं. उहा जाइ बि घणो परे न हुई जिते मां पहिरीं राति गुज़ारी हुई. I thanked the captain of the vessel for his kindness and started again. मां जहाज़ जे कप्तान जो संदसि फराख़ दिलीअ जे करे थोरो मञियो ऐं ॿीहर सफ़र शुरू कयो. Without any unusual occurrence, I reached Hampton with a surplus of exactly 50 cents with which to begin my education. बिना कंहिं गैर मामूली वाक़े जे मां हैम्पटन पहुतुसि ऐं मूं वटि पूरा 50 सेंट बचत में हुआ। आई प्रेज़ेंटेड माई सेल्फ बिफोर द हेड टीचर फॉर असाइनमेंट टू क्लास। मूं पाण खे क्लास जे हेड मास्टर वटि पेश कयो त मूंखे कंहिं दर्जे में दाख़िल कयो वञे। Having been so long without proper food, a bath, and change of clothing, I did not, of course, make a very favorable impression upon her. हेतिरा ॾींहं मुकमल खाधो न खाइण, बिना गुसल ऐं बिना कपड़नि बदिलाइण जे हालत बुरी हुअण करे उन ते को ख़ासि तासुर न छॾे सघियुसि। For some time, she neither refused to admit me, nor did she decide in my favor, and I continued to linger about her. उहा कुछ वक़्त लाइ ख़ामोश रही, हुन न ई मुंहिंजी हिमायत कई, न ई दाख़िला करण खां इनकार कयो। मां मुसलसिल सोच में मगन उते ई बीठो रहियुसि। After some hours had passed, the head teacher said to me, "The adjoining recitation room needs sweeping." कुछ कलाकनि गुज़रण खां पोइ हेड मास्तराणीअ मूंखे चयो, भर वारे पढ़ाईअ जे कमरे खे सफ़ाई जी ज़रूरत आहे। Take the broom and sweep it. बुहारी खण ऐं सफ़ाई कर। I swept the recitation room 3 times. Then I got a dusting cloth and I dusted it for 4 times. मां उन कमरे खे 3 दफ़ा साफ़ कयो, पोइ मां सफ़ाई वारो कपिड़ो खयो ऐं मां 4 दफ़ा साफ़ कयो। All the woodwork around the walls, every bench, table and desk, I went over 4 times with my dusting cloth. दीवार ते लॻल हर काठीअ जी शइ, हर हिक बेंच, टेबल ऐं डेस्क खे कपिड़े सां 4 दफ़ा उघियमि। Besides, every piece of furniture had been moved and every closet and corner in the room had been thoroughly cleaned. उन खां अलावा मौजूद फर्नीचर खे कढी हर कुंड कुर्च खे चङीअ तरह साफ़ कयो। I had the feeling that in a large measure my future depended upon the impression I made upon the teacher in the cleaning of that room. मूंखे एहसास थियो त मुंहिंजो मुस्तक़बिल इन ते दारोमदार रखे थो त मां टीचर ते सफ़ाईअ जो सुठो असर छॾियां। When I was through, I reported to the head teacher. जॾहिं मां कमु पूरो कयो त मां हेड मास्तराणीअ खे ॿुधायो। She was a Yankee woman who knew just where to look for dirt. उहा हिकु चालाक औरत हुई जंहिं ॼातो पए त मिटी काथे ॾिसणी आहे। She went into the room and inspected the floor and closets. Then she took her handkerchief and rubbed it on the woodwork about the walls and over the table and benches. वो कमरे में वई ऐं फर्श खे ऐं कुंडुनि खे ॾिठाई। पोइ हुन पंहिंजो रुमाल कढियो ऐं काठीअ जे कम, भितियुनि, टेबल ऐं बेंचुनि खे महिटियाई। When she was unable to find one bit of dirt on the floor or a particle of dust on any of the furniture, she quietly remarked, "I guess you will do to enter this institution." जॾहिं हुन फर्श ऐं फर्नीचर जी कंहिं बि शइ ते मिटीअ जो ज़रो न ॾिठो तॾहिं आहिस्तगीअ सां चयाईं, मूंखे लॻे थो त तूं हिन इदारे में दाख़िल थियण जे लाइक़ु आहीं। I was one of the happiest souls on the earth. मां ज़मीन ते उन वक़्तु सभिनि खां ख़ुशि नसीब महसूसु करे रहियो हुउसि। The sweeping of that room was my college examination. उन कमरे जी सफ़ाई मूं लाइ कॉलेज जो इम्तिहान हो। I have passed several examinations since then, but I have always felt that this was the best one I have ever passed. मां उन खां पोइ केतिरा ई इम्तिहान पास कया आहिनि, पर मूं हमेशह महसूसु कयो आहे त हीउ मुंहिंजो इम्तिहान सभिनी इम्तिहाननि खां तमामु बहितरीनु इम्तिहान हो जेके मूं पास कया आहिनि। Thank you.